Dear students, in this video, you will learn about indefinite articles, which are a and an. This is part 2 of the first video which I made on articles, and in that video, I have made it clear that in articles we study only three words, a, an, and the. But this video is particularly about the indefinite articles. Indefinite means something that is not fixed or sure. So in this category, we will talk about these two words, a and an. So let's start. So I hope you remember that a and an both means one. So now, how do we use it? Students, you have to remember that with consonant sound, we use a. And which are consonant sound? A word that start with the sound like B, C, D, F, H, etc. And vowels. Vowels we have only 5, and the sound would be of A, E, I, O and U. So there we will use an. So the most important thing is that you have to follow the sound here. So let's see the examples here. As you could see, the first one, which is in consonant category, door, door, the sound. So that is why we would say a door. Second is picture. First sound is pa. So we would say a picture. Third example, chair. So first sound is ch. So that is why we would use a with it. Number 4, fish. First sound, which is at the beginning of this word. So we will use a with it. A fish. And number 5, shirt. Sh. So again we will use a shirt. Now you see the difference when we will use and with some examples. So example number 1, orange. Oh, so first sound is of a vowel. So we would say an orange. The next, egg. The first sound is a. So we would use an egg. Number 3 is umbrella. The first sound is a. So we will use an umbrella. Number 4, adjective. So first sound is ag. So you would use an adjective. Number 5, injection. So the first sound is e. So you will use an injection. After this, we will see some examples and we will think what would come here, a or an. So exactly you have to recognize the sound here. And whose sound? Sound of consonant or vowel. So let's start. The first one is unique, y sound. So now you have to think what would come here. The next is urban, urban. So just think what would come with urban, a sound. Number 3, honest. So here H is silent. We would read it honest. Number 4, hymn, Hymn. Hymn. Hymn means a religious song. So just think what would come here, a or an. And next, number 5, 1 rupee note. The first sound is w. Number 6, author. Author means writer. author. So just imagine what would come here. Number 7, onion, onion, a sound. And number 8, hour, hour, Hour. H is again silent here. So now again you have to think what would come here. And now if you have already thought about your answers, check your answers here, which are a unique thing, a unique, y sound. So that is why a will come. Next was urban. So it would be an urban area, a sound. Number 3, an honest man, honest. So again vowel sound. Number 4, him, hym, him, a him, consonant sound. Number 5, a 1 rupee note, w. It is again a consonant sound, though it is starting with a vowel letter, but the sound is of a consonant. Number 6, an author, author, o sound is there at first, so we will use an author. It is also vowel sound. Number 7, onion, onion. So it is again vowel sound. It would be an onion. And number 8, an hour, an hour, hour. Again vowel sound. So we will use an here. So if you have also thought of the same answers, that means you have understood the topic very well. So keep practicing. Thank you very much.